What is the SI unit of electrical resistance? A. Ohm. B. Volt. C. Ampere. D. Watt. The correct answer is option A. Ohm. Which electrical component stores electrical energy in an electric field? A. Resistor. B. Capacitor. C. Inductor. D. Diode. The correct answer is option B. Capacitor. What is the direction of conventional current flow in an electrical circuit? A. From positive to negative. B. From negative to positive. C. It varies. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. From positive to negative. What does AC stand for in AC power? A. Alternating current. B. Absolute current. C. Amperage control. D. Active circuit. The correct answer is option A. Alternating current. Which electrical component allows current to flow in one direction only? A. Resistor. B. Capacitor. C. Diode. D. Transformer. The correct answer is option C. Diode. What is the unit of electrical power? A. Volt. B. Ampere. C. Watt. D. Ohm. The correct answer is option C. Watt. In a series circuit, how does the total resistance compare to individual resistances? A. Total resistance is less than individual resistances. B. Total resistance is greater than individual resistances. C. Total resistance is equal to the sum of individual resistances. D. Total resistance is irrelevant in a series circuit. The correct answer is option C. Total resistance is equal to the sum of individual resistances. Which type of material has the highest electrical conductivity? A. Insulator. B. Semiconductor. C. Superconductor. D. Conductor. The correct answer is option C. Superconductor. What is the symbol for a DC voltage source in an electrical circuit? A. V. B. A. C. I. D. A. The correct answer is option D. E. What is the primary function of a transformer in an electrical circuit? A. To convert AC to DC. B. To increase voltage. C. To store electrical energy. D. To control current flow. The correct answer is option B. To increase voltage. Which law states that the total current entering a junction in a circuit must equal the total current leaving the junction? A. Ohm's law. B. Kirchhoff's voltage law. C. Kirchhoff's current law. D. Faraday's law. The correct answer is option C. Kirchhoff's current law. What is the role of a relay in an electrical circuit? A. To regulate voltage. B. To amplify signals. C. To open or close a switch based on a separate electrical signal. D. To store electrical energy. The correct answer is option C. To open or close a switch based on a separate electrical signal. Which material is commonly used as an insulator in electrical wiring? A. Copper. B. Aluminum. C. Rubber. D. Silver. The correct answer is option C. Rubber. What is the unit of electrical charge? A. Coulomb. B. Ampere. C. Volt. D. Ohm. The correct answer is option A. Coulomb. Which type of circuit has multiple paths for current to flow? A. Parallel circuit. B. Series circuit. C. Complex circuit. D. Open circuit. The correct answer is option A, parallel circuit. What is the phenomenon where an electric current generates a magnetic field? A. Electrostatics. B. Electromagnetic induction. C. Electromagnetism. D. Electroconductivity. The correct answer is option C, electromagnetism. Which instrument is used to measure electrical resistance? A. Voltmeter. B. Ammeter. C. Ohmmeter. D. Wattmeter. The correct answer is option C, ohmmeter. In which type of circuit are the components connected end to end in a single path? A. Parallel circuit. B. Series circuit. C. Complex circuit. D. Open circuit. The correct answer is option B, series circuit. What is the electrical term for the opposition to the flow of electric current in a circuit? A. Conductance. B. Impedance. C. Admittance. D. Resistance. The correct answer is option D, resistance. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? A. 300 million meters per second. B. 100 million meters per second. C. 150 million meters per second. D. 200 million meters per second. The correct answer is option A, 300 million meters per second.